Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Let's discuss the project about graph Laplace for occluded phase completion and recognition. In this paper, we will focus on how to improve the performance on recognizing occluded phases. In general, we first complete or repair the occluded phases with our proposed spectral algorithm, that is graph Laplace, for occluded phase completion, and then perform phase recognition on the completed images. The major contribution of this proposed work is we propose a new phase reconstruction algorithm based on sparse representation and graphical model. Our algorithm is established from a new perspective which is different from the existing phase reconstruction algorithm. We propose a graph-based phase repairing algorithm on spectral graph theory. It is an extension of GL and can achieve a sound repairing result, especially on small and tiny gray images which cannot be well coped with by traditional in-painting algorithms. Now let us have a view on the data flow diagram. First we load our input image and the next process is pre-processing. In the pre-processing, if any noise occurring in a input image that are removed. Noise is nothing but any undesigned information that contaminates on image. These noises are removed using some types of filters. Here we are using median filter to removing the noises. Median filter is to replace each pixel value in an image by the median of its neighborhood. And also the pre-processing step. Image enhancement, smoothing, gradient and normalization are also done. And the next step is sparse representation. Sparse representation is able to obtain excellent performance on occluded phase recognition. In the model, a partial damaged phase is viewed as a single sequence. For the single sequence, we obtain its SR by using the training samples in a large phase database. We employ the sparse representation for occluded phase classification because the occluded part of the phases may affect the final classification result. One way to degrade the disturbance of the noisy part is to mask it and ignore this occlusion part when classification. However, these procedures requires too much interactive behaviors. But the SR, which views the occlusion part as sparse noises, can achieve almost the same classification performance no matter whether there exist occlusions or not. The SR method for occluded phase classification is much more accurate than the other state-of-art methods. And the next step is image-based data mining. In this step, we will find the best match patch for guiding the synthesis of missing part on occluded phases from the images chosen based on sparse representation classification. The patch is obtained to guide the in-painting work of the damaged part on the occluded phase. Our goal is to find the best match patch in the SR data pool, which fits its neighborhood or with the least SSD. And the next step is graph Laplace for occluded phase completion. In that model, we will introduce the proposed GL for a tiny image completion. It is the critical composition in our occluded phase completion and recognition system. In this section, we will transfer an image repairing problem to the classic graph labeling problem. Hence, the repairing work can be solved via graphic models which owns a number of prominent properties. The labeling problem is solved via Laplace equation. Therefore, without the loss of generality, we will call the proposed image repairing algorithm as GL. And the final step is verification. In this model, we will verify the recognized result is matched to our input image given by us. Now let us have an execution of the program. First, we select main1.m file and click run file. This is a MATLAB guide window designed for graph Laplace for occluded phase recognition and completion. First, we load our test image contained in our data set, test data. This is occluded phases. We can select any one of this. Now I select this. And the next step is pre-processing step, that is a noise removal step. Here we are using median filter to removing the noises. Median filter is to replace each pixel value in an image by the median of its neighborhood. And also in this pre-processing step, we will find the test image enhancement. Only the background informations are eliminated here, and the next step is smoothing, and the next step is gradient, and the final one is normalization. These are also a pre-processing steps. And the next step is sparse representation via L1 minimization algorithm for all our training images. Now I select the whole training dataset having many folders. Each folder contains various persons. Now I select hold those training images for sparse representation. Images are reading and their features are extracted and arranged via the sparse representation. Sparse representation means that's non-zero element representation. And the next step is image data mining. We will find the best patch for guiding the synthesis of missing part and occluded faces from the images chosen based on this sparse representation. Our goal is to find the best match patched in their SR data pool which fits its neighborhood or with the help of least SSD. If it finds, it returns 1, otherwise it returns 0. And the final step is graph Laplace image completion. It is the critical composition in our occluded face completion and recognition system. This labeling problem solved via graph Laplace. This is the final result. Based on this occluded face, the corresponding original face are displayed here. These are done with the help of graph labeling problem. We have proposed a graphical model based image completion algorithm for repairing partially damaged faces. This algorithm is particularly effective in dealing with occlusions on face images. Experiments have illustrated that the recognition rate can be greatly improved by applying our algorithm to those glasses or scarf wearing faces. Thank you.